Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the gladiator arena of desktop processors. In the left corner, we have the AMD Ryzen i7-14700KF, aka Ryzen 9. In the right corner, it's the Intel Core i7-14700KF, or, as we like to call it, Core i7. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let the battle begin. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The Ryzen 9 comes in at a whopping $699. Meanwhile, the Core i7 is a more wallet-friendly $434. So if you're on a budget, Core i7 takes the cake here. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty, performance. The Ryzen 9 flexes with 16 cores and a 4.2 GHz clock speed. This thing could probably run NASA if it wanted to. On the other hand, the Core i7 boasts 20 cores, 8 P-cores plus 12 E-cores, and can turbo boost up to 5.6 GHz. Reviewers say the Ryzen 9 is excellent for multitasking and gaming, while the Core i7 excels in high clock speeds and gaming workloads. Let's talk graphics. The Ryzen 9 comes with AMD Radeon graphics, meaning you get amazing graphics output right out of the box. Core i7, however, requires discrete graphics. Reviewers note that the Ryzen 9 is excellent for gaming and heavy graphics work without additional investment, whereas Core i7 users might need to invest in a good graphics card. Compatibility time. Ryzen 9 uses the socket AM5 socket, which means no soldering drama. Just slap it on and you're good to go. Core i7 is compatible with Intel 600 series and 700 series chipset-based motherboards, but you might need a BIOS update. Reviewers have noted that Ryzen 9 is easier to install, making it ideal for first-time PC builders. Cash me if you can. Ryzen 9 comes with a massive 128 megabytes of L3 cache, providing lightning-fast data access. Core i7 didn't highlight its cache size as much, so Ryzen 9 clearly wins this round. Reviewers appreciate the massive cache on Ryzen 9 for improved performance in latency-sensitive tasks. Online reviewers have praised the AMD Ryzen 97950X3D for its powerful performance, easy installation, and excellent graphics capabilities. The Intel Core i7-14700KF is noted for its high clock speeds and affordability, although it may require additional cooling solutions and discrete graphics for optimal performance. So there you have it, folks. Both processors have their strengths and quirks. If you're looking for sheer power, graphics out of the box, and a massive cache, Ryzen 9 is your champion. But if you want to save some bucks and still get a beastly performance with a bit of DIY spirit, Core i7 is your buddy. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Comment down below which processor you'd pick and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart. Buy smart.